Hi, this is Maria Brown with Palmas Dream Homes, and today I'm in Costa Verde. Costa Verde is a hidden gem within Palmas del Mar, offering a unique blend of tranquility and luxury. It's the perfect spot for those who crave privacy while staying connected to the vibrant amenities Palmas del Mar is known for. Outdoor living is a highlight here, with private pools, large backyards, and covered terraces, ideal for relaxing or entertaining under the Caribbean sun. In addition to peace and privacy, Costa Verde offers amenities like a clubhouse, community pool, basketball hoop, and a fitness center. Living in Palmas del Mar means having world-class amenities right at your doorstep. Start your day with a round of golf on a championship golf course, or set sail from the full-service marina. Enjoy tennis, pickleball, or a workout at the fitness center. Then unwind at the beach club with the oceanfront pools and dining. The Equestrian Center offers horseback riding through scenic trails. And the Palmas Academy provides first-class education right within the community. With fantastic restaurants, shops, and markets just minutes away, Palmas del Mar blends resort-style living with a close-knit, welcoming atmosphere. For more information, visit palmasdreamhomes.com.